Hi guys, today we are gonna unbox a Remax RM-805 headset. Here we have the box and now let's have a look of the box. There's nothing important inside, let's look behind. Behind we have some information about the headphones. Now let's unbox the headphones. Here we have it, now let's take it out. We have the headphones and now let's take it from the box. The headphones look really nice. We'll keep it aside and take the others from the box now. We have small cover inside, now let's look what's inside it. We have some papers and what's that? That's a small manual. We can see some details of the headphones in it. Let's keep it aside. And inside we have a small warranty card. Let's keep it aside. And there's nothing else in the box. Here we have the headphones. This is the jack of the headphones. Here we have a button and this is the mic in the left side. The headphones is really nice. I forgot to say you about the material of the headphones, it's really soft. Thank you for watching this video and stay tuned for more unboxing and review videos from Techduo channel.